In this video, we will discuss about an organization as a system. So, firstly, what is a system? According to Klein and King, a system is a combination of things or parts forming a unitary whole. So, in this statement, things or parts refers to interlinked subsystems that are both interdependent and interrelated. So to understand this better, we can take the example of a computer system. A computer is a system which is made of many parts, like it has a CPU, a hard drive, keyboard, monitor, and many other parts. These are all subsystems that are interlinked. They are interdependent and interrelated. For example, when I type on the keyboard, the text will be viewed through the screen or the monitor. When I move the mouse is visible through the screen. They are all interdependent and interrelated in a way that if the performance of one is affected negatively, the performance of the computer as a whole will be affected. For example, if the hard drive crashes, I will not be able to use the computer even if the keyboard is functioning. So then a system has an integrated entity has interaction with the external environment. So if for example, in the room where the computer is kept, if the temperature is very hot, the computer will heat up faster. So this is its interaction with the external environment. So now to talk of a business as a system. The business is also viewed as a system that satisfies the society's desire for production and distribution of goods and services, with a desire to usually earn profits. A business system gets its inputs from the environment, like the raw materials, the people who work in the organization as employees, the land where the business is operating, and using all of these, it transforms the inputs into goods and services as required by the environment. The goods and services are offered to the environment again, where the customers and various other stakeholders are affected by the business's output. As it has an exchange relation with the environment, it takes in inputs from the environment, gives out its outputs from the environment, and is affected by whatever happens in the environment. It is called an open system. A business system has various things or parts that comprises it, or subsystems. Like a computer had various parts, a business has various parts too. Usually one example of parts of the organization can be taken to be the departments of production, finance, marketing, and various other departments that together coordinate to achieve the business's overall objectives. So a closed system does not have any interaction with the environment. As mentioned, a business is an open system. Open system, it as an open system, it gives out its output to the environment and gets a feedback through a feedback mechanism. For example, the product that is released, customer feedback is received, so they know how whether the customers like the product or they are dissatisfied with some aspect. The business system has an external environment that has various elements such as economic factors, political, socio-cultural, technological, and various others that affects every business in various ways. The same is shown through this diagram of the inputs which are coming from the external environment being processed by the organizational and managerial processes to turn into the outputs. And from the external environment where the outputs are offered, feedback is received, which again influences the inputs in the future. Certain characteristics of a business as a system include it is a goal-oriented system. Its goals include profits or social responsibility. It can vary in different businesses. And also an important aspect, it is an open dynamic system. The external environment of the business does not only affect a business in a particular way, but it has a changing effect. The external environment changes in various ways. New legal requirements may come, government policies may change, and these all affect the business in multiple ways. And hence, an organization is termed as an open dynamic system. Thank you.